What's up, gang? Welcome to another episode where me and Lucas are on top of this beautiful archway in Wimborne, or just outside of Wimborne. We have finally finished moulding this amazing life-size stag, and what Lucas is doing, he's just numbering and labeling each jacket so that when we do take it all apart, we have some idea of which rubber goes in which jacket. And I'm going around and I'm drilling all these holes, but half my drill bit snapped inside this drill hole, so I'm actually using half the little drill bit and hoping that it actually gets through all this thickness. But what I'm doing is I'm just going around and I'm drilling holes about a fist width apart from one another, so that when I take it all apart and I want to bolt it all back together to brush in the wax when we get back to the foundry, I can locate all my bolts so all the pieces bolt together nice and neatly. And then obviously we'll trim up all these edges because currently they're quite sharp, and when you're manhandling them trying to slush cast wax, you get splinters, and actually they really do hurt. So I'm just going to go around now, finish drilling all these holes, and then what we'll do is we'll show you taking the jacket off and revealing the rubber underneath this beautiful hard mother mould.
Will it make it? He makes it!
It's not the size that matters, it's the way you use it.
Yeah!
So gang, Lucas is just taking, sometimes these jackets are quite difficult to remove, but what we've done before is we waxed the rubber surface beforehand, before putting the fiberglass and resin on. That just gives it a lovely little release agent. And all he's doing now is he's just taking a little bit of a metal chisel, just getting it around the edges and just levering it off. And yeah, they seem to be coming away quite nicely.
This actually helps a lot.
I think so.
The clay.
So when we actually did the flow coat on this big old stag, we obviously had to leave it overnight before we put the second layer on. And sometimes when you leave it for a while with not actually proceeding with rubber, you end up with dust and all sorts that go on top and actually prevent you from having your second layer adhering to the first layer. But luckily, in this case, we're good. Yeah, I think that looks nice. So gang, there we have it. The mould is 95% removed. We took the jackets off. Now what we're doing is we're just going around with a knife and just cutting along the old edges, all of the rubber being removed, revealing the hard master, or the piece that we're actually trying to replicate. And we're just taking this rubber off. Just pull that back. It's a bit of a tight one, mate. Get in yonder.
Woman up, it's tight, mate, it's tight.
And there we have it. Woohoo!
God damn. Woo. Get my sweat on.
Go under the fiberglass, mate. Take it.
Like fuck for that. Woo!
What's up, gang? Thanks for watching this week's episode. We finally got the mould off this beast. We took the jacket off, we took the rubber off. It's going to be the last time we're up here for a few weeks, but it certainly isn't going to be the last time I'm showing you the process from turning this stag from stone into bronze. So if you want to watch more and keep up the process, then stay tuned. We'll swipe up, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Episode showing the process of turning from I am no free runner. Oh god, no, that ain't working. Going back to my rock climbing days. I just need a thumbnail. God. I'd be a rubbish cowboy. Elegant. Yeehaw! I made it! Look, Mum, I made it! Anyway, this stag, absolutely amazing, stunning piece. Really happy to be a part of it, and yeah, just can't wait to get this project started.